Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen of death on your iPhone SE, specifically the second generation or the 2020 model, by following these troubleshooting steps. So very first thing you're going to make sure is the phone is actually charged. Sometimes it could just simply be dead. The reason why that could happen is that maybe you're thinking it's charging, it's not. Sometimes a charger cable can go bad, either the adapter here, the wall adapter, or the cable. Try a different charger if you can. Also make sure the charge port is clean, there's no dust, dirt, or lint buildup. Look closely when you try to connect it. It may not make the proper connection, blocking that charge port as well. And if you have a case or something as well, sometimes they can also block it as well. So try a different charger, ensure that there's nothing blocking it. The other thing you can do is wireless charging. The iPhone SE does have wireless charging, so if you have a wireless charge pad, let it charge at least half hour, if not longer, before trying the next step, which is going to really fix your phone. So if you charged it and know it's good, you want to follow this step, which is you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until you can get the Apple logo to appear. So we're going to do volume up, volume down very quickly, and then I hold down this side button just like this, using this sequence. The key here is to quickly press and release volume up followed by volume down before holding this side button or the lock button, and then you should see the Apple logo and it should be fixed just like that, as long as the phone is charged beforehand. And if it doesn't work the very first time, this sequence, keep on trying it. Sometimes it takes many tries before you can get this to work. So again, just keep on doing the volume up, volume down, and then holding down that side button until you can get the Apple logo to appear. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. As you can see, all of your data is still going to be there. And go ahead and try it. And I hope this video helped you guys. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.